Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today I'm going to do a little bit of cooking with you all. I'm going to start by browning some ground turkey. And I've been eating a lot of ground turkey because it's inexpensive and it's easy to utilize in just about anything. I have a chopped onion in that pot as well, and I'm adding in some diced tomatoes, some kidney beans, as well as some Kroger brand salsa. This is what I call my salsa, my big giant bottle of salsa, and then some chili O seasoning. And you all have seen me put together my chili in the past, and you all know that Ronnie and I love a giant pot of chili because you can eat on it for a couple of days. Now what you're looking at here is my crock pot, and I have it on low, and I'm showing you the items that I have there, which is a brick of cream cheese that I'm going to be putting into the crock pot, about a cup of sour cream. I'm going to add in 10 ounces of chopped spinach, which I don't actually use a knife to chop. I just break it up with my fingers. And you'll see here, it gets stuck to my hands, and I'm like trying to get a towel and all those kind of things to get the leaves off my fingers. And then I'm going to add in some mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan, and a drained can of artichoke hearts that I'm going to chop up with a knife. And then I'm going to add that to it. I'm also going to add in some pepper and some garlic. And I'm not going to stir it. What I did was I turned it on high for about 15 minutes to kind of get it started. Then I turned it down on low for another 30 minutes, and then I gave it a really good stir because in order for it to kind of get together, you have to let it get hot. So once it gets good and hot, I give it a really good stir, and then I allow it to cook in there on low for about another hour, maybe hour and a half. I was home, so I was able to check it, and I knew when it was all melted and together, and it smells heavenly. And I will tell you, Ronnie and I have been eating on this for a couple of days, and it is delicious. These are my artichoke hearts. I think that's a 14-ounce can that I'm adding there. This is so easy to do. And I'll be honest, I have never actually made this recipe before. This is the first time ever making this. And I will be utilizing this in the future, especially when I have company, for something easy like almost like a cheese ball, but it's a dip situation. You can put out various kinds of crackers and different things to go with it. But it was delicious, y'all. It really was. If you go to restaurants and you order spinach artichoke dip, this is a win-win for you. As you can see there, I put it on low. There is my corn casserole. Y'all have seen me make that several times. There's my chili. I did add in some whole kernel corn in that. And there is my spinach artichoke dip. Delicious. And here it is, all served up. It is a fantastic meal. My company enjoyed it thoroughly. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Heidi's Home. And yes, I had to wash it down with the new zero sugar Coca-Cola. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.